If you use Mailchimp and want to update your personal account details, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile settings in Mailchimp step by step so you can update your name, email address, website, connection preferences, notifications, and even your password. This is a simple process, but it's important to know exactly where to click so you don't waste time searching through menus. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down, click Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page, where you can manage your personal information and account preferences. Now that you're on the profile page, you'll see several editable sections. The first thing you can update is your name. If your name has changed or you simply want it displayed differently in your account, click into the name field and type the updated information. Next, you can change your email address if needed. Just enter the new email you want associated with your Mailchimp profile. After that, you can update your website information as well, which is useful if you use Mailchimp for business or want your profile to reflect your current brand or company. You'll also see a section for connections and notifications. This is where you can adjust how Mailchimp connects with other tools and how you receive alerts and updates. If you want to control what notifications you get, take a moment to review these settings carefully. Another important option on the profile page is change password. If you want to make your Mailchimp account more secure, you can update your password from here. Just follow the prompts and make sure your new password is strong and easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Once you've made all the changes you want, don't forget the most important step. Click Update to save everything. If you skip this step, your changes won't be applied. Now, there is one more thing to know. If you can't change your email address or password inside Mailchimp, that usually means your account was created using Google Sign-In. In that case, those details may need to be changed in your Google account settings instead of directly in Mailchimp. So if you run into that issue, go to your Google account and update the login information there. And that's it. You've now learned how to change profile settings in Mailchimp. You can update your name, email, website, notifications, and password in just a few steps. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide.